As former President Rodrigo Duterte marks his 80th birthday, his supporters are rallying in celebration, but not everyone is sending well wishes. Several lawmakers from the Makabayan bloc took the occasion to voice their strong opposition to calls from Duterte supporters for his interim release from the custody of the International Criminal Court. PTV correspondent Mela Les Moras has the story.
Amid the celebration of former President Rodrigo Duterte's 80th birthday, the House Makabayan bloc didn't express a birthday greeting, but a strong opposition to the call from Duterte's supporters for an interim release of the former chief executive from the International Criminal Court or ICC's custody. According to House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro, given the gravity of the crimes against humanity charges that Duterte is facing, he should remain in detention until convicted.
Dito nga sa atin, yung krimen or yung mga nililitis ng murder ay hindi pwedeng makapag-bail o hindi pwedeng pansamantalang makalaya. Yun pa kayang yung sinasabi nating crime against humanity. So tingin natin hindi dapat siya mapalaya.
While for another member of the Makabayan bloc, Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel, the former president is even lucky because he's in a privileged and comfortable detention. Other families meanwhile reportedly spend each year in cemeteries to commemorate the birthdays of their loved ones who perished during the war on drugs. Gabriela Party List Representative Arlene Brosas also insisted that there is nothing to celebrate today due to the alleged hardships Duterte brought upon women under his administration. Meanwhile, for the Duterte side, his supporters organized rallies today. But Makabayan bloc insisted,
kahit na ano pa mang gawin nilang mga pagkilos, gaano man kalaki or gaano man karami yan sa iba't ibang mga bansa, hindi pa rin talaga hindi nito mabubura yung kanyang yung kanyang krimen, yung akusasyon sa kanya na crime against humanity. Tingin ko nagsasayang lang sila ng pagod doon sa ginagawa nila. Ang aim nila ay mapalaya si dating Presidente Duterte, kaya wa-effect.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.